Tsunami 2004. Andaman Nicobar Islands are to the west of India. The Nicobar Islands are to the north of the Andaman Islands. Look at this beautiful island, Kachal. It is part of the Andaman group of islands. This is Nankauri Island. Belong to Nicobar group of islands. Before I begin, I would like to introduce to you the beautiful islands, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It is situated west of India. North Andaman, Middle Andaman, Lower Andaman, Port Blair, Andaman Sea, Little Andaman, then Car Nicobar, Non-Kauri, Great Nicobar. The tsunami. The tsunami is a large and powerful wave caused by earthquake under the sea. On 26 December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival. There are some stories from Andaman Nicobar Archipelago. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. His wife woke up at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising in the chaos and confusion. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. His wife was also swept away. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. Sanjeev Kumar was a policeman. Serving in Kachal Island of the Nicobar group of islands, he somehow managed to save himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he heard cries of help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. "13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on the wooden door. She spent 2 days floating in the sea, holding on to a wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they did not see her. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore. Almas Javed was 10 years old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother Rahila's home was in Nankauri Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. When the tremors came clearly in the morning, the family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. He understood that the water would come up, rushing back with great force. He woke up everyone up and tried to rush them to a safer place. As they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both of them away. Alma's mother ran and Anne stood clinging to the leaves of a coconut tree, calling out to help. A wave uprooted the tree and they were too washed away. Almas saw a long log of wood floating. She clung onto it. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Camorta. From there, she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone.